Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. Today we're tackling a common problem: blurry, pixelated, or low quality images. Maybe you have an old family photo you want to sharpen up, or you've downloaded images that's not quite there. Luckily, there are free ways to enhance those images, and that's what we'll be exploring today. But first, here are some of the common issues when using pictures from the internet. Number 1. Blurriness. This can happen due to camera shake, movement during capture, or being out of focus. Pixelation. This occurs when an image is stretched beyond its original size, resulting in blocky squares. Low resolution. Images with low resolution might appear grainy or lack detail. Here are some of free apps or websites that can help you sheesh this problem. Remini app. This free app uses AI to enhance old, blurry, or damaged photos. It can sharpen details, improve clarity, and even colorize black and white photos. GIMP. This free and open source image editing software offers powerful tools for enhancing photos. We can use tools like unsharp masks to sharpen blurry images or experiment with filters to improve clarity and detail. Waifu. This is a free online tool specifically designed for enlarging and enhancing anime and manga images. It uses AI to upscale images while reducing noise and artifacts. But here are things you must consider. Free tools have limitations. While these tools can significantly improve image quality, they can create details that weren't originally there in a very low resolution image. Be aware of unrealistic enhancements. Some tools might create overly smooth or artificial looking results. Use them subtly for a natural enhancement. So there you have it. With these free tools, you can breathe new life into your old photos or enhance downloaded images. Remember, start with a decent quality image for better results. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Sheesh!